Hi, Don Pix here, and after a long time, a new video, a new log. Today I want to pick the ASSA 600 with gin bottle pins and the corresponding countermilling as a submission for the LPU red belt. In the beginning I really underestimated the ASSA 600. It was a long, hard road to develop the necessary feeling for these gin pins and to get a feeling if they are set or just in the countermilling. In general, you have to pick the ASSA 600 first like a normal pin tumbler and get all pins into the countermilling. Then the fun part begins with the gin pins, taking back tension so much that you set the pins without losing the full set. Yeah, for this the video of artichoke and progressive pinning in all combinations helped me a lot to finally find the right feeling and open the ASSA 600. Enough talking, let's pick now. Key works well. I use only one tensioner. It's important that this sits firmly and does not wobble, otherwise you cannot float pick sensitively. And go. Wonderful. Now we have a false set and we have to be careful not to go over the black mark. I painted on the left side. Now all pins feel set in the countermilling. Come on. Oh, very nice. Let's cut it now and hopefully I don't mess it up again, because this is the second video I had to make. But shit happens. Fingers crossed. Come on, focus. Yes. So the first gin. A second gin bottle. And surprise, a gin again. Okay. Oops. Okay. Key pins. Key pins are all standard. Oops. Come on. Okay. Focus, please focus. Yes. This is the really sharp counter milling. Okay. So, okay. Thanks for watching. And here are all pins together. Have a good one. Bye.